Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to boost FPS and lower stuttering in Strinova. Okay, the first thing you want to do is open up the game. Go to screen. Set the display mode to full screen mode. Lower the 3D resolution. For graphics quality you want to lower all of these if possible. And apply that, and so when you're back in Windows, what you want to do is disable full screen optimization. So go into the Strinova installation folder, so go to right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, go to browse, find Strinova, right click on the executable, go to properties, go to compatibility, and disable full screen optimizations. You can also try running this in compatibility mode for Windows 7. This does seem to work for some people. Okay, after you've done that, you want to minimize background applications, so Control Shift Escape to open the task manager. And you want to basically end, you can sort it by highest memory, and basically end all the tasks that aren't necessary. And after you've done that, you want to go into Task Manager, start up apps, and basically disable all of the apps that you find are not necessary as well. You just disable them by right clicking on them and click disable. Okay, after that, press Windows button and R. Windows button and R. Type in power cfg.cpl and press enter. And select ultimate performance mode. I have exit lag on, so it's on by default. But if it's not on, select ultimate performance mode. And after that, you want to reduce Windows animation, so click on Windows R. Type sysdm.cpl. And from here, go to the Advanced tab. Under Settings, under Performance, and click Adjust for Best Performance and click Apply and click OK. Now the last thing you want to do is use a program called Exit Lag. I have Exit Lag running all of the time, but basically what this program does is that it will optimize your GPU, CPU, and internet for whatever game you're running. It has a library here, and in the library you can find Strinova. You click on it, and you say optimize routes, and it will optimize the servers for whichever is the best server for you. On top of that, you can go into FPS boost, and by default a bunch of options will be on that boost FPS for this game. It is quite useful. It is $5 a month by default, but the first 3 days are free. And you don't need a credit card to try it out, so just try it out, see if it works for you. If it does, I recommend buying it. I'll put a link in the video description below. Okay, and if this worked for you, leave the video a like and a comment, and subscribe, and that helps me a lot. Thank you very much.